Greetings, young scholars. I'm Professor Nutkins. Grab your pens, your brains, and let's conquer GCSEs together. Everything around you, the air you breathe, your pen, the chocolate in your pocket, is built from tiny bricks called atoms. Ready to open the box? Atoms are the tiny units that make up all matter. The name comes from the Greek atomos, meaning uncuttable, because ancient thinkers imagined the smallest piece matter could be. Today, we know atoms are made of even smaller parts. Atoms contain three important particles: protons, positively charged; neutrons, no charge; and electrons, negatively charged. Protons and neutrons live in the nucleus. Electrons orbit in shells. The charge of a proton is +1 charge. Electron is -1. In GCSE, we use relative masses. Proton and neutron have a mass of 1. Electron mass is 1/2000th. Very small. Each box tells a story. The atomic number shows how many protons an atom has, and that's also how many electrons it has in a neutral atom. Mass number shows the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number shows number of protons, and number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with same atomic number, but different mass numbers, different numbers of neutrons. For example, chlorine has two common isotopes, chlorine-35 and chlorine-37. They both have 17 protons, but different numbers of neutrons, 18 and 20 respectively. Quick question: calcium-40, mass number equals 40, atomic number equals 20. How many neutrons? Type your answers in the comment section.